The $60 billion state spending plan is now sitting on Governor Mike DeWine's desk, and aides to the governor telling News 5 that he'll sign that budget tonight.
On the table is money for a new stadium for the Cleveland Browns, a tax cut for the wealthiest Ohioans, and changes to school funding. Columbus Bureau reporter Morgan Trow has been breaking it down this whole way for us and now tells us what the governor could veto.
With the flick of a pen, Ohio Governor Mike DeWine can preserve the state's operating budget.
Governor DeWine's a thoughtful person.
Or kill whichever provisions he wants.
What are your top priorities to have the governor veto, and which are the most realistic?
So, unfortunately, there's no shortage of provisions that are going to do real damage to the people of Ohio.
DeWine's priorities as the leader of Ohio have always been clear.
Children.
And making sure everyone lives up to their
God-given potential.
So, where on the state budget DeWine may use his veto pen, there may be clues based on previous vetoes, specifically on items affecting kids, health care, and home rule.
He's disappointed by things that are in the budget.
State lawmakers voted to restrict access to Medicaid for babies ages 0 to 3. They capped funding for lead poisoning prevention each year. They also eliminated the Advisory Council on how to handle rare diseases. Other provisions cut mental health assistance, something the governor has championed.
Is so vitally important for Ohio to move forward.
The lawmakers also put restrictions on what H2 Ohio, DeWine's clean water program, can do.
Clean water in the state of Ohio is essential.
Legislation the governor has not supported includes state funding for the new Cleveland Browns stadium and the proposed 2.75% flat income tax.
Not one time did a company say, I can't come to Ohio because your income tax is too high. You'd have to look at what the consequences are and what impact that might have on our ability to fund education and do other things.
DeWine has always emphasized the importance of libraries and reading in children. One provision he may veto requires public libraries to place books referencing sexual orientation or gender in an area away from the public. Another veto possibility is a provision taking away some of school districts' savings, capping the carryover revenue at 40% and requiring anything above that mark be refunded to taxpayers.
This is a state that, by and large, gives due respect to the local communities in regard to running the schools.
The governor appears set to issue his vetoes Monday night and announce his reasoning Tuesday. At the Ohio State House, I'm Morgan Trow reporting.